Welcome to another Crafting and DIY with Nora. Let's make this quick and simple DIY Christmas decor and not your typical Christmas colors either. I bought this from Dollar Tree Plus section, $5. So what I'm going to do is remove the wreath from the front and the Christmas tree. But they're going to be put back into place. I love my typical Christmas colors. This is the black I used to paint this, and which is from Dollar Tree. It's a chalk paint, and I love the way it gives it that dull look. And again, not everybody's into the typical Christmas colors. You know, this is different. I like it. I really do. But again, I like my typical Christmas colors. I gave it 3 coats. Look how nice. I used this paint to paint the wheels. I used the acrylic paint from Dollar Tree, but it was not taking it the way I wanted to. So I ordered this one from Amazon. And that's what I'm doing here. Yeah, so, thinking outside the box like always. There you go. Okay, this was the hardest part of the whole project, which is this glittery reindeer. I had to remove all that glitter off that reindeer. It took me about an hour. I soaked it in hot water. I had these little not rags, hand wipes. Ooh, damn it. Finally, there you go. I gave it about 2 coats of black. And this is the most satisfying thing for me is painting. I find it so therapeutic. So again, I gave it a good 2 coats of it. And see, there you go. So I got this styrofoam I'm going to add to the back of the truck. I'm going to glue that. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to push the reindeers into the styrofoam so it could make dents so I can glue the feet. Add the glue to the feet and then put it in the dent place I did. And I'm just holding on to it. There you go. So now it's time to decor. I got a little gray paint on it. I'm going to fix that on later on, so don't even worry about that. So now we are going to do ribbons. I got this ribbon. I did about 5 of them. Each one had 4 pieces of ribbon. I did crisscross. And I used pipe cleaners as opposed to zip tie because I want to insert the pipe cleaner inside the styrofoam, glue it, and insert the styrofoam for a more secure hold of the ribbon. And if you've seen enough of my videos, you know I only do what kind of bow or is crisscross. I originally did these, but they were too big. It overtook the truck. It overpowered the truck, rather. So I opted up to do these small ones. Pipe cleaner. We're going to screw that in, and the point of the pipe cleaners is the part that's going to be inserted into the styrofoam. But I added a dash of glue to the pipe cleaners and then inserted it to the styrofoam. You want to make sure everything stays into place, and I did all those. So you just want to make sure you have enough and evenly. So before you glue them, put them down and see how it looks. Then if you like the way it turned out, then you add the glue to it. There you have it. Look how nice. Don't it look cute? I love it. So now we're going to add ribbon, some form of red something to it. I'll make a little bow for the reindeer. Because it has to have a dash of red somewhere. So they'll know it's Christmas. It's a Christmas decor. Look how pretty. Just remove the glue, this glue string, the glue glop, whatever you want to call it. Making sure that it stays in place. I don't know why I didn't edit this part. I thought I did, but hey. The Christmas tree, what I did, I cut it down because it was too tall. I add some snow here, some hairspray, spray that tree, and add the little snow. And spray it again after the snow is on so it'll stay still. Stay on, rather. I got these little styrofoam glitter balls, and I added them in between the ribbon. I didn't add too much because I didn't want to make it look too busy. So I'm going to add the wreath back on. I was going to do a different wreath, but I want like like a darker color wreath. But I just kept it. So I added this small tree onto it also. And again, this is not your typical Christmas colors, but it's always good to think outside the box. And look how pretty. Guys, if you're watching this channel for the first time, make sure to subscribe. And to our next DIY project.